So hello everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how you can create a server in Node.js environment. So first of all, we'll be installing all these packages. After the installation of all the packages and after creating this client folder as well in which our React.js project is there, we'll be first initializing our server.js file with a server. So that will listen for our request which we'll be making. So for that, first you need to create a variable called express, and you have to require the express package in that by using require, and then inside that you can write the express package name. After that, you can create one app variable or app constant. In that, you can directly make use of this express constant. We just have to do like this. Before doing that, we have to set some middlewares. We set middlewares by using app.use. We can use that express dot URL encoded. You have to write this. Inside that you can type one bracket or this curly bracket, and inside that you can specify extended to true. So this is a middleware which will allow us to work with the data which is coming. Also you can specify this one, so you can pass the JSON data as well. After that you can create a constant variable for port. We can also store this thing inside a .env file, but we are not working in actual production environment, so I'll be not doing that. For that you actually need an additional package .env uh, that I can also show you, but right now it is not needed. Let me just write the default port or maybe 5000. This I'll be using. For listening to this on this port, I have to use app.listen. This app.listen method will allow us to listen on some specific port, or it will start our server on this port. I'll be using this port variable, and after that I can pass any function to it or any callback function to it. I'll be creating this arrow function in which I'll be just console logging some things. Console log. I can just simply type server started in this one for matter string. Server started on, then I can specify the port. Yeah, so this will log out this message if I just save it and run this file. So for running it, I'll just have to save this first. After saving that, you can also install an additional package which is nodemon, which automatically restarts our server file if any changes happens. So right now without nodemon, let me just type this command npm start. You can only use this npm start command if your package.json file is having the script of start. This one you can see that in the scripts it is a start is there, and it is using this actual command which is node server.js. So we can only use npm start if this start script is added there. Otherwise we have to write this command by ourselves, which is node server.js again. So I'll be doing npm start, then it will start the server. Oh, wait a second. I'm in the client folder actually, so I'll be changing my directory, and then I can start the server. You have to go inside the directory where this server.js file is there actually. So you can see that the command is executed, not server.js. In here it will start the server on port 5000. You can see that it has started. So this is how we created our server. Also you can use nodemon feature I have already installed it. You can install nodemon by just typing this command, which is let me just show you if I don't have nodemon, so what kind of problem I can face. I just have to restart the things again and again. That's the problem only. npm start. So if I change this message, or if I add some changes here like console.log changes or anything, if I save this file, so nothing happens here. I have to restart it by stopping the server and then restarting it again. Then we'll be logged out this changes console log. Okay, I just typed incorrectly. Now I can restart this one once again. You can see that this logged out, but we had to stop the server. But in real world, we don't stop server. Actually, server is always running. So for that, we need to actually use the package which is nodemon. I can directly change this start script to nodemon because I have already installed nodemon. You can also install nodemon by using this command npm install -g. -g is for global. You can use it for any project. If you want to use it for only this project, you'll be making it a dev dependency by writing -dev, and you can then directly install nodemon by writing nodemon. So this is a very good package. It restarts your server file if any changes happens in the file or in our project directory. So I'll be using npm start again because I have changed the package.json file to nodemon server.js. Now I can use npm start and it will run nodemon server.js command, which is automatically take care of my changes and restart the server file. You can see that now the interface is looking a little bit different. So if I remove this change and if I save this file, you can see that it is restarting due to changes. So it will restart the things once again, and you can see that the new console doesn't have that changes console log. So this is what I wanted to tell you. This was the initial setup for the server.js file. In the next video, I'll be telling you how you can create routes and models for MongoDB. So how you can create MongoDB models and you can store the data. I'll be also telling you how you can make use of a local MongoDB setup, and you can also use Atlas, MongoDB Atlas, that I'll be talking about in the next video. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the another one.